Puspusan na ang paghahanda ng Strong Group Athletics Pilipinas sa nalalapit na pagbubukas ng ika-45 edisyon ng William Jones Cup na gaganapin sa New Taipei City sa Taiwan, kung saan lalaro sila para sa kanilang ikatlong sunod na kampyonato. Silipin natin ang mga naging preparasyon ng koponan sa ulat ni TV8 Carl Velasco.
Veteran present, young rising stars, at international reinforcements. Yan ang mga bubuo sa Strong Group Athletics Pilipinas. Nasasalang sa panibagong edisyon ng William Jones Cup sa Taiwan. Target ng 12-man lineup na makuha ang ikatlo nitong sunod na Jones Cup title. Matapos ang 2 taong paghahari nito noong 2024 na tinalo ang host country Taiwan 83-79 at Bahrain noong 2025 kasunod ng 8-0 record. Magiging malaking factor ang presensya ni former NBA center Boban Marjanovic sa koponan, kung saan napili ito bilang import na tutulong para maabot ang naturang three-peat. Ayon kay Bobby, handa itong gampanan ng anumang role na ibibigay sa kanya ni SGA Pilipinas si head coach Charles Stew upang matulungan ang naturang koponan.
What coach said, this one, what kind of role I'll take it. You know, like coach is the main guy here, and it's every team, not just here. And we need to be team. What coach have on his mind, we're supposed to get done. Sometimes really not easy, but we are team and we're supposed to handle this together. Nothing easy in this sport, nothing easy to win something, nothing easy to compare, nothing easy to go every night and play like the best you can. But this is your job and you need to do the best to be the best person yourself. Sometimes like you have headache, stomach problem, tired, but you need to get ready for the game.
Dagdag pa ng 7'4" Serbian. Natutuwa ito sa naging mainit na pagtanggap ng mga Filipino fans sa kanyang ilang araw sa bansa.
I love them a lot, you know, like I get a lot of message, I get a lot of love outside, not just on the court, outside like on the street, on the mall, and it was like, and people, almost everybody know my name, what is really like big love for me and for all this respect, and that's mean I do a great job on and off the court, and I really respect it, a lot of love for that.
Makakasama rin ni Marjanovic ang Phil-Am guard na si Remy Martin na huling naglaro para sa Keflavik men's basketball team ng Iceland. Ayon kay Martin, nais niyang makapagsuot ng Gilas Pilipinas jersey at irepresenta ang bansa sa mga international tournaments kung bibigyan ng pagkakataon.
A dream come true to me. Like I'm always grateful to play basketball, but it makes it so much special now because I get to play for the Philippines. So I'm excited to meet and get to know more of my teammates. Boban's obviously funny guy, and I'm just excited. Like I just thank SGA for the opportunity and Coach Charles. I hope that one day, Gilas gives me the opportunity because that is my dream come true. That is bigger than making it to the NBA for me. Like Gilas is like, I've been watching them since I was young and always wanted to be on that type of platform. And I hope the country and FIBA sees that I've been dual since I just didn't get my passport. I just been dual. So if I'm dual before 16 then we have a strong case for it.
Matatandaang hindi nakasama ang 28-year-old sa final 30-man pool na inilabas ng national team na sasagupa sa 2026 Asian Games sa Aichi, Nagoya sa Japan. Samantala, naniniwala naman si team head coach Charles Stew na may uuwi nila ang kampyonato, lalo na't mas pinalakas ang koponan dahil sa magandang chemistry ng mga local stars at reinforcements. Ngayong 2026 sa kabila ng bagong tournament format at mga naglalakasang koponan sa group phase, nakatak ng makasagupan ng koponan ng Korean basketball team na Wonju DB Promi sa kanilang unang laban sa torneo ngayong darating na August 14, 2026. Carl Velasco para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bayan.